for each its own enzyme. Optimum concentration of red blood cell suspension to be used in blood bank testing. 2 to 5%. The blood phenotype O can result from which of the following genotypes? OO. Which virus can be deadly to immunocompromised patients or premature infants? CMV. Influenza A viruses can most rapidly be detected by which procedure? Direct antigen detection. What are substances produced by microorganisms that in very small amount inhibit other microorganisms? Antibiotics. Aspirate transpinase is elevated in all of the following conditions except which one? Acute pancreatitis. Which blood group system antigens are destroyed by enzymes? Lutheran. Which colligative property is most commonly used in osmometry? Freezing point. Which electrolytes results are within the normal range? 145.0, 100, 124. Fresh serum must be used for compatibility testing in order to preserve which one of the following? Complement. The RPR antigen needle will deliver how many drops? 60 drops ml. A 40-year-old male has a random glucose of 470 milligrams per deciliter. This lab finding is consistent with which one of the following clinical conditions? Diabetes mellitus. Anti-I may be present in the serum of patients with which clinical conditions? Infections mononucleosis. Which of the following is the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation? Telephone. Which Duffy phenotype demonstrates resistance to Plasmodium vivax? C. What hemoglobins are differentiated by the Kleehauer-Bethke technique? HbA1 and HbF. In the solubility test for hemoglobin S, what is the reagent responsible for the reduction of the hemoglobin molecule? Sodium diphenite. What is the most common clearance test used to measure the glomerular filtration rate? Creatinine. An individual inherits the following genes: allele, SESI, HH, AB. Which soluble antigens will be secreted in the patient's saliva? H, A, B, Li, lead. In the enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, what is the antihemoglobulin conjugated with? Horseradish peroxidase. Babe's Ernst granules are characteristic of which organism? Except which one? Cholesterol crystals. Following plasma substances is not normally filtered throughout the glomerulus in significant amounts. Protein. What does the autocontrol contain? Patient serum red blood cells. Optimum pH at which antibodies bind to cells. 6.5-7.5. Which statement is true concerning the RPR test? It does not require an inactivation of serum. Which automated assay is used to detect fragment D and fragment E? D-dimer. What kind of media extends the life phase of normal flora and decreases the life phase of pathogens? enrichment. In a direct antiglobulin test, what is being tested? Patient red blood cells against reagent antisera. What is a mature virus particle containing a nucleic acid core surrounded by a protein coat with or without an envelope called? Virion. Best describes a weak positive reaction. Microscopic clumps, cloudy background. All of the following regulate calcium levels except which one? Aldosterone. Differentiation of T cells occur. Thymus. Predominant in body secretions. IgA. Which one of the following is a stain for iron? Prussian blue. In which disease state are the highest levels? While performing a platelet estimate using 1000x magnification, how many platelets are associated with a normal platelet count? A220. Which of the following fluorochromes gives a minimal false reading? Fluorocyanosulfonocyanate. Diagnosis of von Willebrand's disease can be made from all of the following test results except which one? Decreased platelet count. The diluent used in the CMF hemoglobin method for determination of hemoglobin. Drapkin solution. Which one of the following is a requirement of the treponema immobilization test? Living treponema pallidum. Shelf life of platelet concentrates. 5 days at 20C 24C with constant aggregation. Turbidity in serum is associated with the presence of which one of the following? Chylomicrons. Which one of the following parasites has not been transmitted by blood transfusion? Naegleria. The Philadelphia chromosome is associated with which leukemia? Chronic myelomonocytic leukemia.